Welcome to Random Pizza Jokes with me, Papa Za. Each episode will have 5 pizza jokes. You can tell us which one you like the best, or you can tell us which one was the worst. And if you got a pizza joke for us, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What are you if you can't decide what kind of pizza you want to get? You're indecisive! Why did Bob get a super spicy pizza? The waiter thought he ordered a pepper-only pizza. What does a pizza wear to smell good? Calzone. Fell asleep with a pizza in the oven. Burned 2,000 calories. What does Homer Simpson and pizza have in common? Dope! Well, those were something. We'll be back with 5 more pizza jokes, hopefully better than those ones. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Weird Wild Pizza.